Howdy ladies and gentlemen, we've got an unboxing today. I'll scrub this out. This is my own personal records, check who it's from. Good. So yeah, hopefully in here we have a NVIDIA RTX 2060. I've got this as a refurbished model. I think I paid about $550 for it, which is pretty good going now. I'm starting to see, like, you know, the stores are selling the 2060s retail around $750, and even on eBay secondhand going about $700. So yeah, picking this up for about $500 feels pretty good considering current prices. So yeah, and I've got quite a few refurbished cards up to now, and I've been pretty happy. Like they come with a 6 months return to base warranty, so you know you get a little bit of assurance through that. There we go, it's wrapped up nicely, and it's good. They don't always come with a box. Very well wrapped. Because that's a workout. So it says there's swoosh on it. I think it's a gigabyte. Let's have a look. Yeah, sellotaped up. It's nice. Yeah, it's a nice box. Here we go. Very well wrapped. There we go. So I think they just used another Asus, probably a 30 series card. You can see it's quite big, but it's a nice looking gigabyte card in there. Let's open it up. Sealed up in an anti-static bag. There we go. So nice looking 2060. So look on the back here. There you go. So you can see there. Say N2060 OC overclock 6 gig. I think they put new serial numbers on there when they refurbished them. But yeah, it looks some pretty good nick. Yeah, pretty happy with that. So we'll get that fired up, and hopefully we can get 32 odd mega hash out of that. So it's yeah, good stuff. I think the plan will be we'll try and add this to the 10 card rig that we've got running up here. So I've got a few slots up here that I'm going to try and put that in. So I'm going to try and get 12 cards onto this rig here. I don't know if it's going to work, but we'll have a shot. I'm just working on some fans today. You can see here I'm getting some fans ready to go on the back here to blow some air through. Yeah, so I've got I've got a 3070 on the end. I've got a 2070 Super, and in the middle I've got two nice MSI Gaming X cards. One's a 3060 Ti, one's a 3070. We then got a little 3-fan 1660, and the second last one is a 3060 Ti, a gigabyte 3-fan, and then we've got a gigabyte 1660 Super on the end. And on the top here, at the moment, I've just got 4 1660 Supers up there. So we're dropping the 2060 in between the 1660s up here. So yeah, so I'll let you know how that goes. But yeah, really happy with this. Good price for refurbished cards. Hopefully it just works now. So yeah, but I'll let you guys know how that goes. So right, we'll chat soon. Thanks for watching, guys. Appreciate any comments, thumbs up, likes, shares. Yeah, you've all been awesome. Thank you.